Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1975 Dodge Monaco Nevada Highway Patrol in a 1/18 scale by Auto World American Muscle. And if you like those American police cars, especially the Dodge police cars, just like I do, see this video thoroughly and don't forget to subscribe my channel to give me your thumbs up and to click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the 1975 Dodge Monaco, and as we look at the front, we can see the slight difference from the 1974 model by this grill mesh and the bumper guards, lower grill and the grill mesh, the Dodge logo, and these are basically the differences between a 1974 and 1975. The lines are basically the same, and as we open the hood, we see this very nice looking 440 Magnum, which is one of Chrysler's big block engines. See the other filter, the hoses and wires, the reservoirs and battery, the other reservoir brake system. The hinges are quite simple. The engine bay is very well made. It's got some more details than the simpler ERTL models. And the valve covers look very nice, made in blue, just like the real car. Hood closes correctly. Lines are very nice, and color is very nice indeed, the Monaco logo. And as we open the passenger door, we can see dashboard, a weapon, seats, they're all made in blue. The interior is all made in blue, and by the way, it really matches the car. Internal mirror, the headliner is quite simple. The rear door opens as well, which is a nice feature of this model car. Closes correctly as well. Trim is basically painted on. Rear of the car looks very nice with this Highway Patrol of the United States flag, and as we open the trunk, we can see correct trunk lid, trunk, and with the mat. Basically, it's a much basic model, pretty much a basic model, and lines are correct and closes correctly. Tail lights, a Dodge logo, and the bumper guards are all they all look very nice. We open the rear door on the driver's side and the front door. We can take one more look at the interior, all made in blue. We can see the pedals. It's got an automatic transmission. It's quite simple but a very nice model car. Wheels and tires look nice with this dog dish hubcap. And as we look at the bottom of the car, the basics is very well made. This car was a unibody. Front suspension, the engine and tranny, they're all fixed actually, just like drive shaft that does not spin. The mufflers, gas tank, it all looks very nice and very well made for this car, which is quite simple. So for a simpler model, I would say this Dodge Monaco deserves a 10, even though it's not a top quality car just like a Highway 61, a very good model in its category. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to leave your likes and comments below. Let me know what you think about this car, about this video in your comments, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.